Hello everyone, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to represent ASP.NET Core environment variables. So quickly let's flip to the Visual Studio and I will show you what is environment variables. So already I have created one of ASP.NET Core solution that is I currently we are selecting empty solutions. And now, if I'm going to the startup.cs page in the bottom end, you can see we have set some environment. Environment is development. So basically, environment variables indicate the running environment in which application is currently running. So mainly, we have a three standard environment: development, staging, and productions environment we have. In the development environments, usually developers are writing the code, handle the exceptions, debugging, and we can say that is a totally developer environment that is totally customized. They can try many things to resolve the issue, to build the product. And the one environment is staging environment. So staging environments totally identical to the production environment. So production environment are delivered to the client. Suppose we have many clients, and then production that branch are delivered to the clients or end users, right? And the same staging environment is the replica of the production environment. If I get some issue which is only reproduced in the production environments, at that times we are using staging environments to develop all the things. So whenever we can change in the development environment, we can put on the code in staging and production environment as well. So now I'm going to show how to handle the environment in ASP.NET course. So we have like many way we can handle the environment. So first of all, I wanted to explain in if you can go to the launch settings.json files in the property, you can see launch settings.json file. So in the JSON files in the profile sections, you can see the ASP.NET Core environment variable. So this is the environment variable which is responsible for the changing the environments in our code. So currently it's set developer environment, right? And more one more way you can also change the environment if you want. So go to the properties, and then on the debug sections you can see the launch browsers environment variables. Currently it is development environments we have, right? So how to track the environment? So I'm going to write some custom logics so we can get the which is the current environment we have. So just I put the strings environment name, right? And I'm going to use the environment name which is currently working. So we have a app hosting environments interface that is responsible for hosting the applications to get all the property which our projects are hosting in the environments. So this is the responsible for to get and manage the environment in our applications. So now I'm going to use the instance of environment.environment main, and let's execute the application and let's see what is the output. It will take few seconds. It will take more seconds. Check, 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 check. Let's see. Environment name is development currently. So now I'm going to modify some changes and then we again see. So now I'm going to change the environment staging or production in launch setting the JSON files. I'm just setting production, right? Production, I'm setting the environment, and then you can see it will take few more seconds. So the debugger is it, and you can see that because currently we are setting the environment is development, so it's not going to that particular conditions. It's not going the particular condition. It's check that the environment is production. There we go, right? And once we write the customized page, you can see the result. Then env dot we have is development is production environment we have, and then you can check the code should execute inside that particular things. I just only write that things, don't worry. Right, and also I'm see the staging environment as well. So we have three standard environment, right? So let's see what the output is that. So in the environment variable I just set the production environment and then see which condition is true. So it is true the production environment. Oh, there we go. It's execute the production environment, and also it's track the environment name is production. You can see that, right? And And suppose we have a only three standard environment like staging, production, and development. And you are also setting some different environment like we have QA environments, quality assurance environments we have create. So now how we are going to check this is the QA environment or this is the UAT environments. So if you want to check the environment, which environment currently we are setting in on the launch settings, so you need to check that environment dot environment name, and you can pass the QA environment. Oh, my battery is about to dead. So we can get the error cannot be like a method. Environment name is cannot be like a method. So we need to use some different. Okay, each environment. I need to use each environment, right, and just pass the value and put it into the QA. And in the launch setting, I just change the environment to a QA. Then you can see that we can get the QA environment. It will take few seconds. So here you can just see it's check the QA environment. Now you can see the debugger is in, enter inside the if conditions. So these are the all about the environment variables we have. And also sometimes interviewer ask what is the default middleware we have. So default middleware you can see set that default middleware we have you can see that use developer exception page. These are the default middleware. We use static files, http ops. That are the default middleware we have. The third party middleware you can use in our application, use host filterings, and that are the default we can use a status code page default middleware we have. Sometimes we also create some custom middleware and we can register here. And the some but we like interviewer ask what is the third party middleware, or what is the predefined middleware you can use. So you can just tell you we have the use developer exceptions page, and different kind of use static HTTPS page, use MVC. So that kind of pre-built middleware we have, then we can just use. So that's it from this video as of now, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Happy learning, happy learning. Thank you.